How to add emotion in ElevenLabs. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add emotion to your text-to-speech project using ElevenLabs. This feature allows you to create more engaging and realistic audio. Let's dive in. First, go to the ElevenLabs website and log into your account. So if you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up for one. Once you're logged in, click on Create New Project or select an existing project where you want to add emotion. This will take you to the text input area. In the text input area, type or paste the text you want to convert to speech. This is where you'll be adding emotional tones. Next, choose the voice you want to use for your text-to-speech conversion. ElevenLabs offers various voices, each with its unique characteristics. Click on the voice drop-down menu to select. Now look for the emotion settings. This may be labeled as emotion or voice modulation. Here you can adjust parameters like happiness, sadness, anger, or excitement, depending on the tone you want for your project. Most platforms will allow you to adjust the intensity of the emotion, so use the sliders or input fields to set the level of emotion you desire. Experiment with different levels to find what works best for your text. After setting the emotions, click on the preview button to listen to how the audio sounds. This will give you a good idea of how the emotional tones came across in the speech. If you're not satisfied with how it sounds, you can always go back and adjust the emotion settings or intensity until you get the desired result. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance. Once you're happy with the audio, click on the export button to save your project. You can choose the format and quality settings as needed. And that's how to add emotion in ElevenLabs. By using these features, you can make your audio projects more dynamic and relatable. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on text-to-speech technology. Thanks for watching.